What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, have you ever taken your wheels to get tires put on and they're really nice wheels, maybe discontinued, and they've just destroyed the center caps by scratching them up, hitting them with like the back of a hammer when they're putting them back in, stuff like that, and it's just ruined them? Well, instead of going out and spending $200 on a new set, today I'm going to show you how to fix your current scratched up, bad looking set. Then you can put that money into the engine. So if you like this series of videos, guys, if you like the videos that I do, if this one helps you out at all, please hit like, please hit subscribe, help the channel out, and I can do more stuff like this for you. So without further ado, let's jump on in and I'll show you how to fix them. Alright, so as you can see, the center caps from my VSKFs are pretty haggard. Now, yes, I can go and buy a brand new set, but let's see if we can bring these back first. Bring them back from... let's see if we can bring them back. So we're going to treat these just like our plastic headlights. We're going to run some 400 grit wet and dry over them nice and even, and then we're going to run some 2000 over them, and then we're going to polish them. Let's see how we can get these to come up. So as you can see, boys, they're all fogged up now. Now we are just going to grab some compound on our drill, on our little flappy pad, and polish them up. Now you don't have to listen to me drill because you've seen it in other videos. If you haven't, go check them out. But let's quickly do this and I'll show you the results. All right, guys, and that's our end result. I am actually astonished at how good they came up. Nah, I went and bought new ones. Jokes! These are the same ones, but you believe me because they've come up so perfect. Go on, tell me you didn't believe me in the comments. I'm so stoked how these turned out. Literally, probably 20 minutes of work, guys. 20 minutes. And I've saved myself hundreds of dollars that can now go to injectors. So I actually wasn't sure how they were going to turn out. I was sure they were going to turn out better because they couldn't get any worse, and it's just plastic. So I knew that it was going to come up good, but I didn't think it was going to be that good. They legitimately look brand new. So guys, if you've got some center caps that have been beaten up by either just leaving them around on the ground or tire shops hitting them or whatever, spend 20 minutes, give them a sand, give them a polish, save yourself some money. And then, yeah, happy days. Thanks for coming along, guys. Nice, quick, short one today. Hopefully it helps you, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.